we don't like, we're having issue with our kitchen sink faucet.
Okay.
It's, you know, out of date, pretty old, and the sprayer keeps coming loose. Yeah.
Do you want me to go out and get you a new faucet?
I actually did that already. I was hoping to replace it myself after seeing you guys do it on the show a couple times. Yeah. But when I went underneath to shut off all the water valves, the hot water keeps dribbling from the sink. So I wasn't sure what was going on with that.
I'm glad you stopped. All right, so I can get that repaired. And after that, maybe we can install the new faucet together.
That would be awesome.
All right,
Great.
Let's see what you got. Get these shutoff valves off. First the cold. All right, and the hot. All right, give that faucet a try. Let's see what you got. That's what you were talking about, right?
Yep.
All right. So now our only choice is actually to turn off the main water supply so I can repair that valve. All right, give it a try.
Oh, looks good.
So that means the water main holds. That's a good thing. All right. Now underneath the sink, there are two shutoffs like this. This is pretty much the standard valve that's underneath every single kitchen sink, every lavatory, every toilet. This one's called a multi-turn valve because you turn it multiple times to open it or close it. And if I do, you'll see there's a stem unit that has a washer on it right here. And the washer, when you close it, goes down against the seat. Now this is the wear part, the washer. So what I can do is either replace the washer. I could actually steal this stem unit from another valve and put it in. But they also make this simple kit right here. Look at this. For about $3, they give you the washer, the gasket, and a new stem unit. So let's hope that that does it, because if not, then I'll have to unsolder this valve and put a new one on because it means the seat is worn. All right, let's see what you got. All right, I'll start by pulling the handle. That's a Phillips. Okay, that's it. All right, and there's a gland nut right here that has to be loosened. So with an adjustable open end, so look at this. Do you see anything missing?
Oh, there's no washer on there.
That's right.
What do you think happened to it?
Well, the washer was there once, and if it broke down, the water pressure would have forced it up into this faucet. So there's only two places it could be. One would be the back of the spray hose, and the other is the aerator right here. So let's see what you got. You loosen it counterclockwise. Uh-huh, look at that.
There it is.
There's pieces of your washer. All right, so now what we're going to do is actually use that little kit that I talked about. You can see the new washer. Here's the new stem and gasket. Let's pop this in and see how we do.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.